Excuse me, sir. Question for you. How old were you when you made your first million?
39,
39. How old are you now?
40.
40? So you made it this last year.
Made a lot of millions in the last year.
What line of business?
I'm a spine surgeon.
Actually. So let me ask you this real quick. A lot of people, they go to medical school, they come out with shiny object syndrome because they were in school for so long. What's the lesson about business you could give to a medical professional when they're starting out?
Always plan for the future, because today's sunshine will turn into tomorrow's rain. You may be wealthy today, you may lose everything tomorrow. And the other thing I would tell to everybody that wants to focus on acquiring objects and things, and well, I have everything I've ever dreamed of. It doesn't make you happy. Happiness is a pursuit of your dream, pursuit of your mission, your purpose. Don't chase money and don't chase objects. Chase your purpose. That's where
incredible.
happiness lies.
So real quick right here. You said you made a lot of millions last year. What happened this last year as opposed to all the other? Did you sell your practice or what happened?
Started my own practice.
So when you took that leap is when it happened.
Correct. Gotta take a leap of faith. Gotta trust in yourself.
How are you getting all your clients? What's your secret to selling? How are you a good salesman?
I don't sell. My product sells. So I
Right.
take care of people. I care about people, and people know that.
So you're delivering equal or greater value for the people that are coming in their.
You gotta ask the patients that.
But you're delivering though.
I try to.
Yeah, somebody who made a lot of millions in the last year. What are you doing to preserve that kind of money? Because they say that it's easy to make a lot of money. It's hard to keep a lot of money. How are you preserving that wealth?
Being better than I was yesterday. Ernest Hemingway said there's nothing noble about being superior to your fellow men. True nobility is being superior to your former self.
What are you doing to scale? Let's say in the next 2-3 years. You said that you're thinking long term. What are you doing?
Expand, hire other people, have other people work for you, have help. You gotta have help, because you can't carry the load on your shoulders.
Are there any challenges that you're facing right now that you're trying to overcome? Is it tough in medicine?
Life is always full of challenges. It's tough in medicine, it's tough in finance, it's tough on Wall Street, it's tough for everybody. It must be tough for you. That's why you're out here in the cold.
So
Maybe
what do you
not
so,
tough.
so what are you doing on Wall Street?
My office is right there.
You have some pretty wealthy clients.
I don't ask about that.
You don't ask about that.
No.
So you humanize the people that kind of come into your office.
Everybody's on the same playing field, just like I am. I'm here. There's a homeless guy there. I'm not any better than anybody else.
So what was the best advice you ever got throughout your career?
Don't ever give up.
Is that why a lot of people fail? Is that they just give up too soon?
I believe that that's why a lot of people that start out wanting to be physicians, for example, never become physicians, because it's hard. But it's hard like that in anything that you do in life. Anything that's good is worth fighting for, and that journey is always hard. The view from a mountaintop is beautiful only because you took the effort to climb it.
You got to